Welcome to our channel. If you're a freelancer wanting to maximize your tax deductions, follow these step-by-step instructions to claim expenses you might be overlooking. Step 1. Track your home office expenses. Measure your dedicated workspace and calculate the percentage of your home used for business to claim either the simplified or actual expense method deduction. Step 2. Deduct your health insurance premiums. Self-employed individuals can deduct health, dental, and long-term care insurance premiums for themselves and their families. Step 3. Claim your internet and phone expenses. Calculate the business use percentage of your monthly bills and deduct that portion. Step 4. Document professional development costs, including online courses, workshops, conferences, industry publications, and certifications directly related to your work. Step 5. Deduct business meals at 50% when meeting with clients or potential customers. Keep detailed records including who you met, business purpose, and receipts. Step 6. Track vehicle expenses for business travel using either standard mileage rate or actual expenses. Don't forget parking fees and tolls. Step 7. Claim equipment and software purchases. Computers, cameras, design software subscriptions, and professional tools qualify for immediate deduction under Section 179 or depreciation. Step 8. Deduct bank fees, credit card processing fees, professional liability insurance, business licenses, and even a portion of your cell phone bill. Keep meticulous records throughout the year to substantiate all deductions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.